How to fix file system error, -2144926975, in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Windows periodically releases updates to enhance system performance and fix known issues. Keeping your Windows system up to date ensures compatibility with the latest features and can resolve errors like -2144926975. Corrupted or missing system files might lead to a file system error, -2144926975. Windows comes with a built-in system file checker that can scan and fix these issues. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Sometimes, this error is linked to a specific application. Reinstalling it can fix any corrupted files or incorrect configurations causing the error. If the error occurs when installing applications from Microsoft Store, clearing the Windows Store cache might resolve the conflict. Fix 5. Restore the system to a previous point. If recent changes to the system caused the error, restoring it to a previous restore point can revert those changes. Pick the time before the problem occurred and click Next.